Imagine one of your students comes up to you at the end of class, or maybe in the middle of the class, and asks you a question about grammar, which doesn't seem to fit with the descriptions typically found in course books or in grammar reference books. What do you do?
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL Teaching Tips.
A colleague of mine was faced with this situation just recently. And the question that the student asked was, why is won't used in the statement, my car won't start? This threw the teacher and all of the students. But what was really nice was that the teacher saw this as an opportunity rather than as a challenge. At the heart of the question, I think, is the distinction that as language teachers, we can make for our students between rule-based and reason-based language grammar teaching and grammar learning. If our students come to believe that the coursebook is the final voice of authority in terms of grammar explanation, then very often in the real world out there, they might encounter language use that somehow is at odds with the rules that they are taught. So, for example, some and any, tense shift with reported speech, plus that example, won't, my car won't start, and what is going on there? How do we account for these rules if they can be broken? This is where reason-based language teaching, grammar teaching comes in. We go beyond the rule, allowing our students to decide for themselves to find an articulation which works for them of a grammar reason. So if we take, for example, I love gallery teacher masterclasses. Neil said he loved gallery teacher masterclasses rule, or the non-rule version, Neil says that he loves gallery teacher masterclasses by presenting language in context through a reading text or a listening text. Students can work together to hypothesize and to come to an understanding of the reason for the language use, which transcends the rule, but instead replaces it with a reason that not only helps with the rule, the standard use, if you like, but also the exceptions to the rule, which become recast as possibilities in terms of choice of language use. Reasons and rules. Rules and reasons. What do you think? Are you the kind of teacher who likes presenting rules to your students? Are you, like me, a teacher who finds rules constraining and is excited about working with reasons that not only put your students center stage in creating their own understanding of language use, but also enables them to move away from the confusion of, but teacher, this rule doesn't work, or, but teacher, is this right, is this wrong? We'd love to know more. What are your views about rules and reasons? Put your answers below, and we look very much to having that discussion at the live part of this Gallery Teachers Masterclass. Can't wait to find out your views.